Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to explain you some more bits of lesson 5, sanitation and diseases. As I explain you the meaning of sanitation, I believe you remember the meaning of sanitation. Sanitation means the process of maintaining cleanliness. The process of maintaining cleanliness is nothing but sanitation. The meaning of sanitation is the process of maintaining cleanliness. So today we are going to understand about dirt and diseases are closely related. Dirt and diseases are closely related. How? Let us find out. If we want to stay healthy, we should understand the importance of keeping clean. We should understand the importance of keeping ourselves clean as well as our environment clean. Many diseases are caused by the entry of germs into the human body. How can we remove the germs from our body? With the help of water and soap. We cannot see germs with our naked eyes. Germs are present almost everywhere. Filth is dangerous. Let me explain you the meaning of filth. This vocabulary is new to you, but it is a common word. F-I-L-T-H, filth.
Filth.
Listen the pronunciation of this word.
Filth.
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 And the meaning in Hindi it's mentioned. And let me give you some more words of this. Let me give you some more meanings of this word. Dirt, filthness, garbage. In Hindi it's mentioned what? Gandgi.
Gandhi. Gandhi.
Dirtiness. It's nothing. Filth is nothing but what, children? Dirtiness. Filth is dangerous because germs spread quickly from one place to another. We all are aware of this thing, children. Germs spread very quickly from one place to another. Germs enter our body mostly through food and drink. Food and drink are the most important for us as a human being. We drink as well as we eat to get energy. But if we are not maintaining ourselves clean, then these sort of diseases will catch us very quickly. Flies breed on garbage, right? We have seen this sort of thing. Usually we see this type of thing, children. Flies get exposed to the diseases germs. Flies get exposed to disease germs. Flies sit on the exposed food. This is the reason we always keep our food in safe. We should lid the utensils after use. This is the reason we always keep our utensils clean, and if we have some food in our utensils, we should lid out. Thus, flies spread diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, typhoid. This type of diseases caused because if we are not clean, our food is not clean. How? Because of this flies. Flies are spreading this type of diseases. Water pollution and its purification. Now we are going to understand about water pollution and its purification. So anyhow, we all are aware of polluted water and purification also we are aware. Let me explain you. When the rainwater flows on the ground, many substances dissolve in it. Some substances are insoluble. They neither float nor sink. These dissolved or undissolved substances make water impure. What it's making? It's making water impure. What are the substances here? Dissolved and undissolved substances making water impure. Such water is polluted. Such water is what here? Polluted. Polluted water is unfit for drinking. Polluted water is what? Unfit for drinking. If we drink, then we'll feel ill. Any disease catches. So this is the reason we should always drink purification, purified water. This is it's mentioned here, purification. What is the meaning of purification? Clean, clean. Activity part. This part you should do. What is your activity part here? Place a clean ball in the open when it's rain. Keep it there for some time. When you have collected a good amount of water, note that it is very clean. So what it mentioned, what exactly point we are getting from this? 2 to 3 sentences. This is pure water. It means what? Rainwater is pure water. We can usually drink it. Got it? Rainwater is pure water. This is your activity part, children. Here you can see in a balcony, one boy and one girl is standing and they kept some ball on the ground. Learn by heart the vocabulary which I underlined. Write one time in your CW. Improve your reading. Page number 19. Read this page to improve your reading part. Have a nice day.